In today's product spotlight, we're going to talk about the Smith folding walking treadmill. This treadmill is a 4 horsepower treadmill. It goes from 0.5 miles per hour to 4.0 miles per hour, and it has a 220 pound weight capacity. Now, if you've been around this channel for a while, you know how much I talk about getting your physical activity in and how important it is to get that 150 minutes in per week of moderate intensity activity. And I can foresee for some of you that you would be able to use this treadmill. I think you could get that moderate intensity in because it does go up to the 4.0 miles per hour. When I put it up to that speed and I try and walk, it does get my heart rate up quite a bit. So I think it'll meet the needs for most of you. Now, of course, there's nothing to hold on to. So it would not be anything that any of you would want to purchase if you have a history of falls or you require the use of an assistive device to walk in the community. But what I love about it for my personal use is that I can get my steps in the 2 days a week where I spend quite a few hours in front of a computer. But when I'm not using it, it folds and it just kind of fits under my desk at home. So that's what I really, really love the most about it. Now, the downside of that, or something I can foresee might be in a problem, is that folding feature, although it is quite satisfying to pop it open. Not that that's a reason that you should go out and invest in a treadmill, but when you do pop it open and close it, I can see that that might be something that over time, it's not going to be, the longevity of this treadmill might be compromised slightly if you're continuously folding it up. So just something to think about. This treadmill comes fully assembled. All you have to do is take it out of the box, plug it in, turn it on, and then you can use the remote to start walking. Again, the speed is adjustable from 1.0 to 4.0. It's pretty narrow compared to like a traditional treadmill, which if you're someone with a normal gait pattern, that will be okay. If you're someone who compensates with your foot out to the side, it might not be the best treadmill for you. But if you're trying to save space or you're trying to keep it in a small area, the narrower footprint is a nice feature. But Smith did send me this treadmill for free. So if this is something you are interested in purchasing or in the market for, link for this treadmill is in the description below. By clicking on that link, we do receive a small commission. And so I really do appreciate your support. If you're new to this channel and you're not really into these product reviews, every Sunday, we do post videos with exercises to help you improve your mobility and your life. If that's something you're interested in, definitely come back on Sunday to get that video. You can also hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that you will get notified when those videos get uploaded. But I enjoyed spending time with you all today, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.